Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all channels in Discord at once. You can download the Discord app on the official Discord website. Download the app. Once it's downloaded and installed into your PC, just open the Discord application. No need to update the app because it updates itself automatically once there is a new update. On the home page, go to where your servers are. What are channels on Discord? Discord servers are organized into text and voice channels, which are usually dedicated to specific topics and can have different rules. As an example, I will click this server that I created. If you click this plus button, you can create a text channel or voice channel. So these are all the channels on my server. Can I delete all of them at once? The answer is yes. You will have to delete the server first. Once you delete the server, all the channels and data on that server will be deleted. To delete a server, click the drop down arrow here, then select server settings. Here click on this delete server. Your server will be deleted along with all the channels in that server. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.